Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. On your iPhone, there's a built-in feature that lets you scan a document and convert it to PDF. And you don't actually need a third-party app like Cam Scanner anymore to do that. So let me show you how to do that. Go to your Notes app. In here, tap on this button to create a new note. And you will find this option with a paperclip right here. In case if you do not find this option paperclip, instead if you see a camera button, you need to update your iOS to the latest version. So to do that, go to settings and go to general. In here, tap on the software update button and make sure you update your iOS to the latest generation, that is iOS 18 or above. So now go back to the note. In here, tap on this option that says scan documents. Now bring the document under the camera and it will highlight the image and automatically capture it. Alternatively, if you want, you can also press this capture button to do that. So once you have captured all the documents, if you don't like anything, you can just tap here and review and delete it. And you also have the option to rotate from here, and you can change the color to grayscale, black and white, or photo type, anything you like. And here you can also crop the image if it hasn't cropped correctly. Tap done and tap done here. And now to save it, just tap the button save. It will generate a PDF document in the notes. From here you can save the document in the notes, or you can share the file with anybody. All you need to do is just tap this down arrow and tap the option share, and you can share it through email or WhatsApp. So this will be sent as a PDF document. Alternatively, if you want to scribble anything on the PDF, you can just tap this share button and in here select the option that says markup. So use this writing tools to write anything you like. And once you're done, you can tap done and you can save it to files. Or if you want to share it with anybody, just tap here and tap the option share and share the document as you prefer. So this is how you create a PDF document using the built-in scan function on the Notes app. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video.